Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Jupyter Notebook on Windows using Anaconda step by step clearly. To download Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda on Windows, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Anaconda website at www.anaconda.com. Look for the download section on the home page. Click on the download button for the Windows version. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to begin the setup process. A security warning may appear. Click Yes to allow it to run. Select Next on the Setup Introduction screen. Read the license agreement and click I agree to accept it. Choose whether to install for just me or all users and click Next. Select the installation location or leave it as default, then click Next. In the Advanced Installation options, check the boxes for Add Anaconda to my path environment variable and register Anaconda as. Click Install to start the installation process. The installation may take several minutes. Once complete, click Next, then Finish to exit the installer. Now, open the Anaconda Navigator from your Start menu. In Anaconda Navigator, look for the Jupyter Notebook icon. Click on it to launch Jupyter Notebook. The Jupyter Notebook interface will open in your web browser. From here, you can create a new notebook or open an existing one. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.